can't believe we're going on a private jet. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Hop right in. I'll move you with microchips. Whoa, look at that. Oh. Where do we put our luggage? Right over there. Ooh, fancy. Give me a boost. Ugh, not really working out. Here, I'll get it. There we go. BTW, your rooms are up there. Well, here. They're cozy, they're wonderful, they're awesome. Let's go. Wait, how do we get up? Oh, microchips. I will make you float up. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Ew, where are we leaving? When are we leaving? Anytime. And I need to know, are you going to go to England, Europe, or France? Can we pick another one? Sure thing. Which one? Japan, England, France. Okay, all three. Then you guys have to get. Okay, then you have to get off the. You have to get off the private jet. We know. Okay? Don't you tell us. We read the instructions. Well, kids don't usually do that. Well, let's get rocking. Wait, when do you want to leave though? Oh, my sunglasses. Okay, when do you want to leave? Now, I guess? Okay, let's get a show on the road. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Also, you can slide. Microchips, bring the slide. Well, how did we get here in how did we get here in 5 minutes? It's just a very, very fast jet. Whoa. Woo! Ouch. Oh, awesome. Whoa. Coming through. Ouch! This slide hates me. Don't you dare. Don't you. That's my computer. What are you gonna play? Star Stable? How dare you? Oh, you guys are playing on the computer? What does it look like? What does it look like? They're playing on a computer. Star Stable? Oh, sure. Sure. Oh, sure. How dare you? Thanks. No problem. Hey, Flame. Yeah? Can I have it after you? Sure. Sure. Sure, 1,000 times. Oh man, I could go into the one snowy place. Ah! And for map, wow, I can go everywhere now. Sick. Sweet. Oh, you've been playing for hours. Give it up already. You guys, we've been here for hours. Do you want to go or not? In a couple hours. Ugh. There you go, Flame. Thanks. And for map, oh my goodness, I could go in every place. Awesome. Ooh. Okay, time to go. I didn't get a chance because someone didn't give up the computer. It's been literally 2 hours and I'm on the computer. And now I'm gonna give it up. Plus, it matches me. Whoa, I can not go anywhere. Okay, it's been a couple hours. Give it up. Do you guys file like this at home? Oh, come home with us to see. By the way, we're spending the night out here. You better grab your night stuff. Wait, are you gonna sleep in the private jet or in a hotel? Private jet. Private jet, 1,000 times. Yeah. Oh, that was awesome. And we got along, and we forgave each other. Yeah, that's a first. Let's go in. I'll sleep on the perch. You sleep with Cat. You sleep with Flame. Okay. I know I can't see, but I could still talk. You, Calvin, just share that hammock, and this will be my perch, and I will... Wait, sorry, is your name... Oh yeah, I have a cousin who looks just like you, just a bird, and his name is Calvin, so that's why I'm calling you Calvin. It's okay. Good. I didn't even say I was sorry, but I'm still sorry. Yeah, it's fine, like I said before. Okay, well, we should get to bed. Good night. Good night. Good night. Ooh, what time is it? My ring didn't go off. Just naturally woke up. Sweet. What? It's 5 p.m.? That can't be true. Whoa. The sun is starting to set. Oh gosh. Oh, we slept in for a day. Oh, we slept in extra. Oh, why? My boss is gonna kill me. I don't know what to do. Okay, everybody, wake up. What is... Oh. We accidentally slept in for more than a day. What? Really? Yeah, my boss is gonna fire me. Ding, ding, ding. Great. Now that's my boss right there. Hello? Yeah, I'm sorry. We accidentally slipped in. I understand. Yeah. Okay, bye. You got fired? No. I didn't get fired, but this was the time we were supposed to get up anyway. Oh, cute. Get dressed, chop chop. Brush your hair, brush your teeth, get ready. Wash your face, wash your mouth. Isn't brushing your teeth and washing your mouth the same thing? Yeah. Yeah. Meet up when done. Okay, we're done. I'll get on the front. Okay. Um. Did you read the manual? Kids, don't do that, and you guys did. I thought, never come here. I know we're not supposed to come in here, but I was wondering if I could ride with you here. Don't tell the others. Well, they'll notice you're gone. Well, tell the others, but you can. Yay. Good. Also, can I see you a little? I can teach you on the way. Thanks. Always. Aren't you coming? How long does it take you to ask a simple question? Well, what's the well? What's the well? I'm staying up here with her for today. Come on, I missed it. Watch part 2 to find out what happens next. It might be on September 29th, 2015. Thank you. Bye-bye. Or it might be on now, because, I just have to do a quick thing and I'll get back to this. See ya soon.